Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So on your journey as a YouTube content creator, you're inevitably going to hit some type of brick wall, where you either get burnout or you get just tired of creating content, especially if it's not giving you any type of rewards or results in return. And so I face this continuously, and I think every creator can relate with that. So what do you do whenever you get to this point? Well, at least for me, I end up asking myself a few questions. The first question I always ask myself is, why am I doing YouTube? I kind of got to go back to that, because why you're doing YouTube at the beginning is normally going to answer why you should continue to do YouTube going forward. And so that's always the first question that I ask myself. And then the second question is one that I didn't really know to ask myself until much later on, and that is, who are you creating your content for? What value are you providing? And that's something that I never really spent a lot of time thinking about, because I think with most creators, whenever they're starting out, they're creating it primarily for themselves, for their creative freedom, expression, whatever the case might be. It's really fulfilling. But over time, as you're building a community, you're building an audience, then you have other responsibilities, because now there's other people who are watching your videos, who are getting something out of it. And in return, you kind of got to work with those people who are watching your videos, because at the end of the day, if nobody's watching your videos on YouTube, then really what's the point, because then you could just make videos just for yourself. And so that's kind of where I am right now. So whenever it gets to that point, I always ask myself, why am I doing YouTube originally, and why am I doing it now? And more importantly is, how can this add value to the people watching my content? For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. So those are my thoughts on dealing with the points whenever you hit a brick wall, you run out of creativity, or maybe you're just feeling burnt out. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you were interested in seeing my entire YouTube journey, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. If you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.